Hello friends, welcome to Inside Psyche Initiative. In today's video, we are going to discuss about following 5 topics as a part of the weekly roundup. So if you miss out the previous weekly roundup videos, please find those videos under the weekly current issues playlist. By the way, in today's video, we are going to discuss about following 5 topics such as Ghol Fish, Operation Karuna, that is in Myanmar, what is Psyche mission, doctrine of transfer of MALICE, and Operation Black Tornado, how NSG rescued Mumbai. These are the 5 topics we picked for this weekly current issues. Now let's see Ghol Fish. So recently Ghol Fish is declared as a state fish from Gujarat. Let's see some details regarding this particular topic. Gujarat recently declared the black spotted croaker, popularly its scientific name Protonibe diacanthus. It is locally known as Ghol Fish. So this decision is why the Gujarat state decided to announce it as a state fish, because the economic value it is carrying. In fact, this fish popularly known as gold fish as well. Okay. So this decision based on various factors, emphasizing its uniqueness and economic value and the need of conservation. Of course, if the government declares something as a state fish, so more number of conservation measures will be there. So here geographical distribution, majorly it extends from the Indo-Pacific region, okay, till from Persian Gulf to the expansion of the Pacific Ocean. That means from Iran till Pacific Ocean. That means entire Indian Ocean as well as towards the Pacific Ocean you can find. So its availability present in wide range of areas. Economic significance. It is having substantial market in China and in the Asian countries. It is popularly known as sea gold, like I said earlier, because of its high market value. Now let's see. It is majorly exported to countries such as Europe and the Middle East countries, because its high demand in China. And the conservation status, IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN red list, it is saying near threatened. Then note, Gujarat is one of the leading states in terms of the fish production, and in the year 21-22, Gujarat recorded total fish production of 8.74 lakh tons. This is the total fish production in 21-22. So that you can understand the Gujarat role in fish production. Next, the second one is Operation Karuna. You know students, Operation Karuna is all about recently Myanmar affected with cyclone Moshi. Okay, and obviously this affected particular region of Myanmar, that is Rakhine terrain. This Rakhine is an area which already experienced lot of conflicts regarding the Rohingya, like Muslims. Cyclone Mocha caused widespread devastation in Bangladesh and Myanmar, and through this Operation Karuna, we are helping to Myanmar in terms of sending various ships. The ships includes food, humanitarian aid as well as the medicine. Bangladesh and Myanmar, they are experienced very frequently, they experience cyclones because they are present in the path of the North Indian Ocean tropical cyclone basin. Because of this reason, these particular 2 nations are experiencing high amount of cyclones. Now these are the various operations performed by India for various reasons. For example, Operation Ajay 2023, evacuating the Syrians from the Israel. Operation Dost, evacuation people from Turkey Syria earthquake. Operation Ganga, evacuations Indian from Russia and Ukraine. Indian medicos who stuck in Russia, Ukraine, especially Ukraine, because of this Russia-Ukraine war, we try to repatriate them. Operation Maitri, Nepal earthquake. Operation Sukoon, conflict in Lebanon. These are the various operations performed by India in other countries. In Myanmar, Rakhine state recently worst affected due to the Rohingya crisis that affected these cyclones, and because of that we are helping to Myanmar. Next, third one. The third one is regarding the asteroid. NASA sent one mission to explore the asteroid Psyche. This asteroid recently sent certain information in the form of the like radiation. Which form of the radiation? What is this asteroid is all about? Let's see. NASA experiment on the Psyche spacecraft. Spacecraft. Recently, the NASA is actually going towards this Psyche spacecraft. As a process to that, it sent near infrared laser back. Actually, this data almost all like it traveled 16 million kilometers. This data traveled 16 million kilometers and it is going to give information. The NASA mission, it will explore 140-mile wide metallic asteroid called 16 Psyche. This 16 Psyche, this is like NASA is going to enter into this orbit in 2029 and it spent almost 2 years in mapping of this asteroid topography. It will analyze the asteroid surface, what kind of environment it is having, and it will take the pictures as well. 16 Psyche. It is present generally between the Mars and Jupiter. It was discovered in 1852 by the Italian astronomer Annibale de Gasparis. It is made up of gold, silver, nickel deposits, and it is having high economic value compared to entire Earth. That is some of the estimation from the scientists. According to NASA, it is having high worth than the Earth's economy. Next one is regarding the polity concept. This is about the doctrine of transfer of malice. It is about, for example, if a person X wanted to kill Y, but mistakenly he killed Z. In spite of that, this X will get the same punishment because he has an intention to damage, intention to hurt someone. The intended victim might be different from the actual victim, but in spite of that, because of this intention of doing wrong to the person, intention of killing the person, that is not going to be changed. That is the reason, even though a person kills someone mistakenly, the person will subjected to the same punishment of death. The Supreme Court established the doctrine of transfer of malice. In this court convicted that a person, even though mistakenly killed another person, the same punishment will be given. Here the burden will not be shifted. The burden will be carried and the offender will be punished the same way. Next, the fifth topic, it is regarding the Operation Black Tornado, how NSG rescued Mumbai. This is like on this day, that is November 26, on the night of November 26, 2008, Mumbai experienced very horrific incident. Certain places in Mumbai, they were attacked under the terrorists. They are Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Leopold Cave, bomb blast in taxis, Taj Mahal Palace Hotel and Oberoi Trident and Nariman House. These are the various places under the attack. Now, actually, India escaped out of this attack mainly due to the bravery of the NSG. So, on this day, we are observing the bravery of these brave soldiers. NSG, tell me students, NSG was established in response to which incident? NSG was established in India in response to which incident? Okay, tell me your answer in the comment section. Next, yesterday video question. What was the exact constitutional status of India on 26th January 1950? On 26th January 1950, the constitutional status of India was sovereign democratic republic. Socialist, secular, these are the two words been added later through 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978. Okay. Next question is, in today's question, in which scenario does the doctrine of transfer of malice applies? Read these 4 statements and pick the right one. What one is the doctrine of transfer of malice? Okay. Now, as we reach to the end of this video, in this weekly summary, we are discussing about these 5: Ghol Fish, Operation Karuna, what is Psyche mission, doctrine of transfer of malice, Operation Black Tornado. These are the 5 topics we discussed, and this is the detailed analysis regarding the weekly current issues rapid revision. Thank you.